Alright YouTube, Bitter Gardener here. Just wanted to do a quick video on the tomatoes that I'm growing this year. And I'm also doing an experiment. I was talking to a guy about a week and a half ago at the nursery. and he told me that he was telling me about how successful he was with growing tomatoes. And one of the things that he did was he placed marigolds around the tomatoes because the marigolds actually deter certain pests like the tomato hornworm and some of the other pests that attack tomatoes. So I said I'll give it a try. And of course, I know the marigolds need to get into something bigger. I just haven't done it yet. So basically, I'll start down here. This is the celebrity tomato, which is a determinate variety. So that's why I have it in this smaller tomato cage. Back here, I believe this is a Cherokee tomato, and it's an indeterminate, so I have it in a bigger cage. And just in case you don't know the difference, a determinate variety of tomatoes will grow to a certain size, it'll put out its tomatoes, and then it's done for. An indeterminate tomato will just keep growing and keep growing and keep growing and keep growing until the conditions aren't good for it anymore. So more than likely down here in Florida, that's going to be when the cold weather kicks in. So this thing is going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow and grow and grow, even past the top of this tomato cage. And I guess when we get to that point, I'll just have to deal with it. Moving right along, this is the Lemon Boy. I was actually in a big box store, and I saw a sign for yellow tomatoes, and I've never seen that before. So of course I had to get one. So like I said, this variety is called the Lemon Boy. Back here is an indeterminate cherry tomato plant, and I have it in a smaller tomato cage. I'm not sure if I need to get a bigger one for this or not, but it's a cherry tomato, so I imagine that it won't grow so fast, and I'm just hoping that this tomato cage will work for it. But more than likely I'm going to end up buying the bigger one anyway, because I have to get some more for my Parks Whopper tomato plants. And I just had a big one laying around, so I put it on this particular one. There's no real reason why I put it on this particular one, but I did. So I really need to get 3 more cages anyway, so I'm probably just going to get a bigger one for that one as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I actually have 2 more Parks Whopper. I went to my nursery, and they actually had them on sale for like $2 for like 6 plants. So I actually have more tomatoes than I really need. I really don't even need this many, but yeah. So and I know I need to get some more marigolds, because I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I'm doing like 3 on the outside. I'm going to do 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and then I'm going to put 3 here. So the next time I go to the nursery, I'm going to get more marigolds. And like I said, I'm also going to put them in bigger containers so they can get a little bit bigger. So hopefully when spring really kicks in and all those bugs and all those pests decide to come out, the marigolds can deter them from coming to my tomato plants. So anyways, going to go ahead and cut this video short. Of course, I get a text message while I'm recording, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. Hopefully I will have good success this year. Oh, before I cut off the video, another thing I'm going to do. Now, I'm one of those type of people that I really don't like snipping away at the leaves of my plants, especially tomato plants, because tomato plants can get big and beautiful, and they can have all these leaves, and they can just look so green and everything like that. But I'm not growing leaves, I'm growing tomatoes. So this year I will be hard pruning my tomato plants. When I say hard pruning, I'm going to hard prune them. I haven't got around to doing it just yet, but I'm going to hard prune my tomatoes to hell and back. So what I'm going to do is anything underneath that first set of flowers, I'm cutting it off. So hopefully when these plants get big, more than likely the bottom leaves will be about right here, and everything else will just be, a stem. So that's how I'm going to do it this year, because I want to grow tomatoes and not this big beautiful plant with 2 tomatoes on it. So wish me luck, and I'll go ahead and cut the video short, And I guess I'll see you guys next time.